What is up, Print Squad? I am back with another video, and today I'm going to be working on a small order. So if you guys want to know what I'm going to be printing on today, stay tuned.
T-shirt chick.
Alright, Print Squad, I just got my package from UPS, so I'm going to go ahead and open it up and show you guys what I'm going to be printing on, and then I'm going to let you guys know how or what technique I'll be using to print. All right, so I do have a few different types of shirts in here. So I do have like some of my regular Gildan 5000 shirts right here in black and pink. And I have some short sleeve shirts. These are actually the all sport 100% polyester shirts. And a few different sizes. I have to print these for the restaurant. Let me see. Make sure I get them all. Alright, I'm going to just place these over here. And the next thing I have right here is some long sleeve polyester shirts right here. And these are actually what I'm going to be printing on today. I'm making warm-up jerseys for my son's team. So right here, I was going to do a screen, but because it's polyester and I don't want to have to deal with making two screens because it's only 10 of them. So I'm going to go ahead and do it in vinyl. And I'm going to be using today the vinyl that I will be using is the Stahl's Econo print right here, which is, it's an orange right here. And Stahl's Econo print is made for jerseys. I mean, you can use it on different things, but on their website, they pretty much show it being used on jerseys. So that's, I feel like it's one of the better vinyls to use on the jerseys, unless you're using another one that they have, which is, you know, it's a little bit thinner, but this one is a thicker one. But I'm going to go ahead and set the design up and get ready to cut everything out. All right, Print Squad, this is the design right here that I'm going to be printing. I didn't really like the design myself, but that's what they wanted. It's going to be in one color, so I do have to bring it into Photoshop so that I can work with it. So I have done a tutorial on something similar to this that y'all can check out. I'll try to remember to leave the link for you guys. Alright, so right there, I don't really like the design, but let me put the background up and take this off so you can check it out better. But that's basically what the design is looking like. I'll probably delete that little area right there because I don't like how that looks, and the rest of it is pretty good to go. So that's what it's going to be looking like right there. Now I'm going to go ahead and delete this little part right there, and then I'm going to go over to the cutter and get ready to cut everything out. Okay, I got everything set up, got my cutter set up over here, got the design set up over here on the computer. So I'm getting ready to go ahead and cut the design out so that I can weed it and go ahead and press it onto the shirts. of my designs cut out right here, all of the images cut out, and you know, I have them cut out, and the next thing I have to do is press them onto the shirts. So let's go. All right, so I have them all stacked right here on my Heat Press Nation 16 by 20 press right here. It's the auto open drawer press, and I'm going to be pressing everything today on, I could actually do press half and half, and it will make the job a little bit quicker, but this will be the first job that I'm doing with this one right here, and I decided to use it. I usually use this one because it actually heats up a lot quicker than the Styles press, but I'm going to use the Styles today because I went ahead and set the Econoprint film that I'm using. I set it in there, or the Econoprint vinyl that I'm using. I went ahead and automatically set it in there. Just choose Econoprint and everything is set up. So I'm going to set everything right there. And I'm going to be using my Teflon pillow because when you press in polyester, you can get that square on there if you don't use one. So I'm going to be using that. And I'm also going to be using my T-Square It, which is broke, but you know, I'm still going to be using it. All right, I got my T-Square It right here, have my designs right here, and my Teflon pillow. And I also have this right here, which is my cover sheet, so I'm just gonna place it right here so it can be in an easily accessible place when I get ready to grab it. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my first shirt and just slide this inside. All right, instead of putting it inside here, I'm just gonna lay it here to make it a little bit easier to go ahead and you know, I won't have to worry about sliding it in and inside every shirt each time. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it like this, lay it on top of there, go ahead and try to line everything up correctly. Y'all see how far back I am from the heating element with this one? Okay, that's about centered. Let me make sure, double check. All right, that's about centered right there. Go ahead and slide it. And the way that this design is, it's supposed to be going across there just like this. So what I'm going to do is, let me see, make sure that it's even. So the whole design is 11 inches wide. So that E is going to be on like the 5.5, and the W is going to be on like the 5.5. So we're going to place it right here, and we're going to bring it down. That's 4 fingers down, which is 3 inches. Yeah, so the E is going to line up along here around the 9.5 inch mark. So I'm going to go ahead and print the first one, let you guys check it out. The pressure is too much. I try to set the pressure for, let me see. Okay, the pressure is supposed to be on 2, so because I'm using that Teflon pillow, I'm going to have to bring it down a little bit. Okay, the pressure is on 5 now. Even though I have it on 0, it don't require that much pressure, but that's what happens when you use a Teflon pillow. All right, and the Econoprint is actually a warm peel. I always say cold peel because if you can't peel it off as soon as you do it, I always just call that warm peel. So I'm gonna move it to the side and go on to the next one. So we have the next one right here. Go ahead and lay it flat. And we're going to take this T-squared once again. And once again, we should have this E lined up around the 9.5. It's down by the 3 inches. It's easier to line the next ones up after you have done the first one. All right. And go ahead and slide it in. And we got the 15 seconds. And while I'm doing that, y'all, I'm going to tell y'all something that I like about this heat press and something that I don't know, I'm just telling y'all a couple of things about the heat presses that I'm using. Okay, now with the auto open over here, which is the Heat Press Nation, which I ordered both of these through Heat Press Nation, but with the auto open over here, you don't have to worry about that. Like, I could be doing something different with the auto open. The only thing that I don't really like about like the clamshell press is it's dark under here. So you could stand to have a light like over here on the side or over here on the side or something like that, but it's kind of dark under here. Although you can pull it out, you know, it's still where, because of the location of my light. If I had a light that was back here, you know, you got to be aware of the locations of your lights with that. And then like with this one, you know, I kind of got used to that auto open and I kind of like that. That's the only thing. This one you can set in different materials that you're going to be using, so you don't have to go and change the time every time. But as of now, I don't know of a way that you can automatically select it if you're using the ones from Stalls, but I had to set EconoPrint in there. That's actually the only one I have in there. I have EconoPrint and the one for the eBay vinyl, which is the custom one. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab the other shirt and let y'all check it out. This one is probably cool enough, but I'm gonna grab the other one, let you guys check everything out. All right, so we got this one right here. Go ahead and peel it right there. And this is what it's looking like right here. Hopefully you guys can see it. Yeah, that's what the coach asked for. I mean, I didn't create this design, but I guess it's okay. I didn't really like it much, but that's what the coach asked for. So, you know, when people are ordering stuff, when your customers are ordering stuff, sometimes, I mean, we don't specifically or particularly have to like it. Here's the second one right here. Y'all can check that out. But yeah, but that's all I have for you guys today. I got a few more to print. I'm gonna go ahead and print them, and I appreciate you guys watching. If you liked the video, be sure to hit that thumbs up button. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to this channel and also to my T-Shirt Chick live channel, which is the one that has the red logo. I have the red T-shirt on my logo. And you can follow me on Instagram at T-Shirt Chick TV and join that Print Squad group on Facebook. And I appreciate you guys watching. Oh, I almost forgot. I also leave links for you guys down below this video. So if you're interested in any other products or equipment that I use in my videos, check below this video in the description box, and I have several links down there for you. And also, if you're going to be purchasing something from Heat Press Nation, I would appreciate if you would use my link. All those links down below there are affiliate links. So, you know, I'm doing this for free. I'm not charging y'all to watch the videos, but it will help me out a little bit if you guys purchase items through my links. And also, I'm trying to get a Heat Press Nation discount code for you guys. So hopefully I can show. I did have a couple of people that bought some items, but you know, only a couple of people. Trying to get you guys a code if you can help me out by purchasing using my links below. And I appreciate y'all watching. I'll see you in the next video. Print Squad out.